There we go. Okay, I'm going to play one quick original for you here. We're 2 weeks before Christmas. I wrote this song a few years ago. It's called This Boy Will Walk. And I'm playing it tonight because the first time I played this song out, I don't play it out too often, but I played it out, and during the break, this woman came up to me and she goes, "Man, that was such a beautiful song about the baby Jesus." And I said, "What?" She goes, "That song about Jesus." And I said, "No." I go, "That song's about Sammy." And I did write it about my neighbor's little boy, Sammy, who really did walk before he ever crawled. But then I started to listen to the words and I go, yeah, okay, I see that. So however you want to view it is fine with me. Come one, come all and see the most stupendous child to ever be. Hear how the people proclaim with awe, this boy will walk before he crawls. This boy will walk before he crawls. This boy will sing before he talks. This boy will come before you call. This boy will walk before he crawls. Wonder and mystery are in his face. He holds us spellbound with his gaze. The song of heaven is in his voice. This boy will sing before he talks. This boy will walk before he crawls. This boy will sing before he talks. This boy will come before you call. This boy will walk before he crawls. The moon and stars are in his eyes. His every move is a grand surprise. He'll catch your tear before it falls. This boy will come before you call. This boy will walk before he crawls. This boy will sing before he talks. This boy will come before you call. This boy will walk before he crawls. Come one, come all and see the most stupendous child to ever be. Hear how the people proclaim with awe, this boy will walk before he crawls. This boy will walk before he crawls. This boy will sing before he talks. This boy will come before you call. This boy will walk before he crawls. This boy will walk before he crawls. Thank you so much. So Sammy or Jesus, whichever you prefer. That's what that song's about. Okay, so thanks for coming up tonight. It's kind of cool. We got some folks in from out of town. We got